Hello, grade 5. Welcome back to first term curriculum. Unit 1 is starting with an old lesson, not a new one. It's approximating to the nearest hundredth and thousandth. And we know what is the meaning of approximation because we had it in grade 4. We had how to approximate to the nearest 10, to the nearest hundred, thousand, unit, and tenth. This year, we will learn how to approximate to the nearest hundredth and thousandth. It's the same concept and the same idea if you remember, and we will remember together, that we have 10 digits consists all the numbers in the word. Only 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? These only 10 digits that consist any number. These digits grouped into or divided into two groups. A weak group and strong group. Okay? The weak group can make anything, can affect any number, but the strong one will push up the number beside it. Okay? Let's see how to approximate to the nearest 10, 34, and 38. I want to approximate them to the nearest 10. Okay, here. First of all, I have to determine first where is 10. This is 10. Then look to the next digit. This digit is strong or weak? It's weak. So it will not affect anything and it will turn to be 0. And this number will be as it is. Okay? Okay, here in the next one, again determine with 10, which is 3, and the next number is a strong digit, so it will push it up. It will push it up or give it points, so it will be 4, and this also will turn to be 0. So, in both cases, this number turned to be 0, okay? And the other numbers, one of them, if it is weak, it will keep as it is, and here it will push up by 1, okay? What if I want to approximate to the nearest hundred? Okay. So here this is the hundred. I have to determine first, and this is the number beside it, the next number. So I want to approximate to the nearest hundred. Okay? Look to this one. This is weak from weak group, so it can't affect anything. So it will keep this number as it is. And what about this? It will turn to be 0. And what about the next number? Also, any digit on the right will turn to be 0. Any digit on the right, it will be 0. What if there is what if there is another number here, for example? So it will be as it is. Any number on the or any digits on the left will be as 0. Okay? But on the right it will change to be 0. Here also, here is the hundredth, and the next number number is strong, so you can push it up by 1, so it will be 2, and this will turn also to be 0. So, any number on the right, as we said, will be 0, and any digit on the left will be as it is, okay? So, that was some refreshment to remember the meaning of approximation. Now, if I want to approximate to the nearest hundredth, I want to approximate to the nearest hundredth. For example, okay, 6.248. Here I'm going to remember. I want to approximate the nearest hundredth. Okay, here, first of all, I determine the hundredth. Then, look to the, let's remember, after the decimal point, tenth, hundredth, and thousandth. Tenth, hundredth, and thousandth. Okay, so here, this is the hundredth digits. What about the next digit? 8 is strong, so it will push it up, so it will be 5. And this will return to be 0. And this, keep it as 0. Okay? So, here, 6.25. What about this 0? I don't need to write it. I don't need to write it. We can cancel it because it has no value in this number, right? Okay. Here. Again, this is the hundredth. Okay. And this a weak number, I want to change it. Okay, first of all, I solve it by this way, then I change because I want to tell you something. Okay, here, this is weak, so it can't change this one. It will be as it is, and every digit on the left will be as this, and this will return to be 0. Also here, I don't need to write this 0. It has no value, okay? Okay. If this 4 was okay. If this is 6, a strong digit, okay? So it will push it up by 1, so this will be 10, 0, and carry up 1, so this will be 8, and this will be 0. What? We said we don't need to write 0 because it has no value. Okay. I cancel this one. What about this one? Can I cancel it? It has no value. Okay? It's 29.8. That's it. What about this 0? Should I keep it or to cancel it? No. Here, in this case, I have to keep it. Why? Because when I ask you to approximate to the nearest hundredth, hundredth is the second digit after the decimal point. That means I need 2 digits after the decimal point. I need 2 digits after 1, 2. These are the two digits after the decimal point, so I can't cancel this 0. Never. I can't cancel this 0. I can cancel this one only, and this I have to keep it. I have to keep it. Okay? This is about how to approximate the nearest hundredth. What about the nearest thousands? It's the same. It's the same. If you can determine where is the hundredth and where is the thousand, where is the tenth, any place he asked you to approximate to, if you can determine this digit, so you can make the approximation easily. So, here, the thousand is the third digit, so I should have 4 or more digits to approximate to the nearest thousands. Okay? So here, first of all, you have to determine where is the thousand, which is 8. Then look to the next digit, which is 6. It's a strong, so it will push the 8 up by 1. So here it will be 9. And what about this? It will be 0. I can write it, keep it, or I can cancel it. Okay? No problem at all. Here, I approximate to the nearest thousand, so I have to keep 3 digits after the decimal point. Here, the thousand is 2, and 1 is weak, so it will not affect any digits. So it will be 7.8, 4, and 2 will be as it is. You can write 0 or cancel it. Okay? One more example. For example, 3.9. Here, approximate to the nearest thousands. Okay, so I determine the thousands, and the next digit is strong, so it will push 9 up. Okay, it will be 10. So this will be 10. Carry on, 10. Carry on, 10. Carry on. Okay. Here, this number equals 4. Okay? It's the same value. We don't need these 0, right? Now, I need them. Why? To know that you approximate to the nearest thousands. To the nearest thousand. Because if I ask you to approximate to the nearest hundreds, it will be also 0. If I want to approximate, I ask you to approximate to the nearest tens, it will be the same. To the nearest unit, it will be the same. So by this way, I know kept 2 zeros to the nearest tens, you have to keep 1 0. Okay? If I ask you to approximate to the nearest unit, so you will write 4 only. So, to know that you understand. Okay, this is the same value as this number. Okay? No difference at all, definitely. But if you write 4 only, how should I know that you understand and you approximate to the nearest thousand? Not to the nearest unit. How can I know this? So, when you keep zeros, you let the corrector know that you understand what he asked you to do. Okay? So, it's very important, very important or the main point in this lesson to know how to keep zeros. When I ask you to approximate to the nearest tenth, that means I need 1 digit after the decimal point. Hundredth, 2 digits. Thousandth, 3 digits. Okay? So, by this point, the main point in this lesson, we have finished our lesson, and this is only the exercises on it to approximate, no new ideas in it. Let's see, all the exercises are on how to approximate to the nearest hundredth or to the nearest thousandth, okay, or to the nearest tenth. There's not a new one, okay. Again and again and again, don't forget zeros, and if you ask about tenths, you have to keep 1 digit after the decimal point, even it's a zero. Hundreds, 2 zeros, even they are zeros,